Hello? Are you surprised? Are you surprised? I'm gonna clap for her. It's easy. When I don't clap for her finish, when I clap for the green bar, now only them the people who know say they're supposed to do one better. So now I will chop better, drink better, see better, and better, and better, and all the better all join. Stay one. Are you feeling me? Chop better, drink better, and Dr. B, are you feeling me? I'm with you. Anyhow. I don't want to clap for her again. You know it's easy. She's good. I bet you know good. She's good. After her, you will still see Tuotele. Women will still dance Tuotele for you people to watch. First of its kind in the whole world. Women are doing things that they thought is an abomination. It is not an abomination. Iyo ekwasi na atu eyiwa na akala maga ka ye purututu shi ka ye ga kije ya ayese se ya jike